In this video, I want to show you how easy it is to create a Telegram account for those of you who are having trouble creating one just by having a Gmail account and a phone number. Log into the Telegram app, then follow the steps in the video. Here you need to select and add your country. Then you will need to add your phone number. If such things appear, then all of them must be allowed. Once you reach this stage, don't think about anything and just click Sign in with Google. What you need here is a new Gmail account. This is not a Gmail account linked to Telegram. This is a Gmail account with a completely unused phone number. If this Gmail account appears, select the Gmail you want to use. At this stage, you will receive something either by sending an SMS to your phone number or by calling your phone. This will take a little while, so please be patient and wait. If you receive a call without sending an SMS, answer the call. They will tell you the code number. You need to remember the code numbers. Once you have memorized the 5-digit code, you will need to enter it into the Telegram app. Please enter your name there. Now you have created a new Telegram account using a new Gmail account and a new phone number. I hope this is a very convenient method, and you will be able to create an account easily. Don't forget to like and subscribe to ITNet channel to continue watching these technical knowledge videos. I hope to see you again in the next videos.